Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2375th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and you can find me at livewithoscar.com anytime in my live trading room, and that is free to you. Traders, before we get started, for trading on Friday, Feb 18th, 2022, please remember, trading is risky. The volatility, look at the size of these bars, is grand lately. And let me tell you, you can lose your financial shirt, so to speak. In this game, you could have your head handed to you financially. If you trade without stops, put your stops in, okay? Now, let's get moving. For trading on Friday, E-mini S&P. Traders, I think we have an issue. I think the market has an issue. Now, of course, you know I've been saying that since the top, but I think we have an issue furthermore. First, the OMNI seemed to be a great spot where the market would hold. Boom, rally. Boom, nice, rally. Boom, all right, it holds, rally. Boom, all right, holds again, rally. This time, uh-oh, and it cracks. Then it gets through the next average I like to use, and the only other average that I think is a big, strong average, and then, boom, boom, it cracks that one, seriously. Gets back up to it, drops again, showing that this average is showing some might. Then it finally gets above it. Eureka, that's what we wanted to see. Gets above, and all it does is smack into the OMNI and crack. Gets back to that average, holds it. Boom, back up to the OMNI. Interesting. Cracks again. This time it breaks the other average completely. And here's where I think we have an issue. Now, it is basically sitting right here. It ran up, it hit it, it tried it again, couldn't get through. On the third day, it hit it again, and bam, this is where we are as of Thursday's close. So look now, you broke this one after not getting above that one, and once you finally broke this one, you couldn't get above it again and had a down day. That tells me that there is more adjustment coming to the downside. Even if we have upward days, do not fall in love with the upside. People have been saying that literally since the top has been put in. Do not fall in love with these upside rallies when they happen until we start getting a better climate, or a better looking chart, I should say. Now, so that's your E-mini S&P. I think we have something else I wanted to look at with you, and that is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Another issue. Listen, I think we have an issue. If you're an analyst, you'll get this. Look at how well the 200-day moving average worked. Till it didn't. Boom. Then it does again. And it holds. And then it doesn't. And 2 times you hit into it. 2 times, could not get above. Day 3, Thursday, cracked. I think we have an issue technically. So, that's what I'm looking at, and I think we sell rallies undoubtedly in our indices, even if they're big rallies. So remember this. We have massive bars, massive volatility lately. So if we want to get into a trade, we wait for a massive rally, and then we finally get in, and if we decide then we're in, we go short, and we hope it comes back down. But when I say we're going to get short, that doesn't mean down here at the close of Thursday we're short the market. We wait for rallies, and if it hits an OMNI level, we get in and hope it goes back down. All right, so one last chart to show you for trading on Friday, and that, boom, is gold. Now, traders, you know, if you're following me down here, I was able to identify that this was about to go, and I showed you this huge pennant flag and told you that, listen, this is going to go. No one knows which way it's going to go, but, you know, common sense says because of the climate we have out there, and, of course, there's possible, you know, saber rattling with the Ukraine and Russia, and the fact that we have inflation. I think gold will actually get above this line, break above the double top, and keep going, and that has been what's happened since we made the call that it would go higher. Okay, which means analysis is working well. I've got no crystal ball. I call the analysis, it works well, we get lucky. So, That's what we're looking at in gold, and I think gold can still go higher. Of course, you got to buy pullbacks. You can't just jump right in. You got to let it drop first and then jump in. But I think you can still buy gold at least until it comes up and tries to test this double top up here from way back here. That's, look, I'll move the chart down a little. See that high? Well, I put a red line across it. So that's a reference point, but hey, this is gold and we're day traders. That's a long way away, but keep an eye on it, okay? So that's what I wanted to show you now, a special treat. Join me on join me on Monday, this Monday, the 21st of Feb. Join me at the Metastock Traders Summit. I will be performing between 5 and that should say 6. So let's just show that to you. Between 5 and 6 p.m. I will be performing, and then you can click the link below. It is free. Before me are 7 other fantastic people who will show you things how ways they use Metastock, fantastic programs. I'll come out and show you where the market is right now, where I think it should go, and some techniques that we can use moving forward to trade next week. So that will be my portion between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern. All of this happens on Monday, and if you'd like to join me for this free event, right below this video, click the link, and you'll be able to join me this Monday between 5 and 6 p.m. Make sure you join, traders. All I'm going to do is show you some cool techniques that you can absolutely use for trading next week, and it won't cost you a dime. So come on down and watch the rest of the presenters, and then watch me show you what's going on the charts. Traders, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in. Good luck trading. And remember, join me and I'll teach you some cool stuff at the Metastock Traders Summit, 5 to 6 p.m. this Monday. That's Eastern Time. Thanks, traders. Have a great day.